How's it going, guys? Hope you're all having a good day. I'm in the G8 and I'm actually on my way to a car show. I got to meet a few friends first and I definitely need gas, but I'm going to go fill up and then I'm going to go meet them and then we're going to head to the car show. The car show is probably about 30 minutes away from, or no, actually about 45 minutes. But yeah, let's hit the road and I need to fill this thing up. Well, I'm back home. The car show was pretty good. There were not too many cars, not as much as I expected, but it was pretty decent. Me and my friends had fun. We had some good beer and good food. Just hung out, talked to some people, and then went home. When I filled up the G8, oh man, I hate putting premium in that thing. But I think I put in about 50 bucks, and I got just under 15 gallons, and it holds 19. So 50 bucks still, wasn't enough to fill it up. So, and I mean, I was pretty close to empty, but it will cost about $60 to fill the tank on that. That blows my mind. That is the most expensive car to put gas in that I've ever had. But yeah, so I've got like one other event planned this weekend on Sunday. So if I go to that, then I'll try get a little bit of footage and put it in a video that I make. But other than that, stay tuned, guys. I got more videos coming up, so thanks for watching.